thing out of the video.
Oh, come on, Michael.
No, I was in the video last. Uh-huh.
This is Blondie.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
Uncle Marshall liked Blondie.
This is from their
Well,
song.
Uncle Marshall liked Blondie. I wonder if Maria knows this song. Oh, this way, Gene.
Oh, there she is.
Oh, you gotta take my glasses off, I guess.
Ooh, I'm sorry.
As he pokes me in the
I'm
eye.
sorry. How's Maria there?
She's doing just fine.
Yeah?
Glad to get rid of all that book inside of her. We cleaned up, but she said she doesn't want to go in the oven.
No, she doesn't want to get a suntan?
No. She said she gave up her life for us.
Oh, she did. She committed suicide?
Just like Jesus. Yeah. How grateful are we that we have this big, beautiful...
I love how they have the Christmas bells in there, too. Isn't that cool? In the song? Did you hear that?
I don't think it's a Christmas song.
No.
Oh, what game are you doing?
My knee just locked up. What are you doing?
She's dancing and
I don't know if it took it off.
she's loving it now.
Oh, poop.
I'll tell you what, every year you guys pick out nice cushions.
Thank
We
you.
do what? I didn't hear it. I
Somebody get
can't.
the pie and give me some paper towels.
Hello. Come here. Come here. I can't pick you up if you don't come here. Oopsie. You don't want to play? No? You don't see her? You gotta see her! Oh, you're afraid of phones. What's that?
Boy, turkey's greasy now.
Let's go your wine.
Here's Keenan.
Excuse me. I do not do that. That's so not true.
Here I am with the turkey.
No.
No, if you're a king, you'd have to wear it around your neck.
Oh, shut up.
Turn it off.
Oh,
Here he goes.
I like this one.
He does that. Maybe you're should have been a DJ too.
Gee, I'm sick of it.
I'm probably a terrible cameraman here.
Oh,
Oh, you look good in glasses.
I look good in everything.
Well, you do know as soon as you're able to get them, that's what you're going to be wearing in work. You can't actually see out of them, can you?
No.
No, I didn't think so. Did you shove some butter up her crack?
Yeah, kind of a little bit butter up her butt.
I think that's her throat.
Well, yeah, that's her throat.
That's the throat?
That's the throat. Yeah.
I thought this was the throat.
No, this is well, the head's up here, because here's the breast, and you come down the legs, or here. These are the legs, so that's the crotch area.
Oh, this is her crotch.
That's the crotch.
Is that John Candy?
Yeah.
That's something also.
I love John Candy.
Here's the gizzard. Alright, here's a video of Mom giving the bird a happy ending.
Yeah.
She's got her hand deep inside its throat.
You guys are naughty.